Ramya here, again from Social Tandora, with the mission of empowering small business owners. And today is Financial Friday. As our theme goes, today we will be delivering the financial related stuff for which is required for the business. And based on many financial magazines, finance industry experts, and other successful business owners, the bigger corporates, we have some insights on which businesses that are going to flourish post COVID, or at least survive and thrive during the post COVID season, and which are the businesses which will have a high risk post COVID. And these are the two lists I have sorted out, and I would be happy to share with you these lists so that you can be more conscious and cautious in making your business decisions. Let's go straight to the list. Okay. So here comes the top 10 businesses that will grow post COVID. The first and foremost topper is online teaching and courses. Yeah, obviously you might be by now realizing the power of online teaching, because due to COVID, like, we are not able to get out of our homes, and but still we are receiving n number of trainings, teachings. We are upskilling ourselves, our kids, or getting their study materials through online portals, and so many things are happening within the house. So all these because of the technology that has been improved, thanks to the technology. So definitely online teaching and courses will be these industries will be having a boom after post COVID, because still even after post COVID, it's been said that we are going to live with the COVID for next 2 years by WHO. So most of the people will be not really for sending out their kids, or going out and taking up the courses which they need to be physically present. So online teaching courses or workshop is definitely going to have a boom. And the second is the online delivery of essential items. Yeah, I hear you, but yeah, there are bigger corporates who are competing within themselves very rigorously, like even the Zomato and Swiggy. Everybody has come to deliver essential items. Beyond that, the Grofers, Big Baskets, Amazon Pantry, so many bigger people are fighting within themselves, competing within themselves. And where are we? Yeah, definitely, if we the thing which they don't have is the strength of the smaller people, who you can take up your own online delivery website and take up orders from your community, where you can have your personal touch and create credibility and loyalty among your community residents. And definitely they will prefer coming to you rather than going to the bigger people, bigger corporates, because they have that personal touch, and they can get back to you even if something goes wrong or they didn't get the items ordered properly. Definitely people prefer small business owners at this time of crisis. And that way you can give a human connect, emotional connect with them. And you can use WhatsApp business, Facebook business page. I will be handling definitely a separate session how to make use of Facebook page and WhatsApp business for connecting with your local your community customers, and deliver items for them, and make a good business out of it. So please watch out for that session also. And the third one is the mental and emotional wellness. Yeah, people are in the fear is so much, and the morale is very low, and people are looking for some emotional and mental support. Definitely they are looking out for courses which will heal them mentally or emotionally. This is going to be a boom if you are able to create that magic among them. And the next is the gaming. Definitely, irrespective of any age group, because of being locked down inside the home and not able to do any physical sports, gaming is going to be one of the outlets for people to satisfy that crave for sports. Okay. And spiritual science is where the people they want to uh, depend on some supreme power to come out of this crisis. Financial crisis they may have, emotional crisis, or fear of job, or health crisis. So many things are going around, so they need some higher supreme power to believe in, to trust in, that will to surrender in. So this kind of spiritual courses will also, online spiritual courses will definitely have much larger audience than ever. And affiliate marketing, when you are making somebody's products to sell through you, you will get commission from the product owner. So that's called affiliate marketing. This is part of many online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart. You can become an affiliate marketer for these people and earn through it. And OTT platforms which live stream movies, web series, etc. That is going to be, because people are not yet ready to go to cinema halls. So OTT platforms will be a boom. And digital content writers, for all these things, the content providers, content creators are needed. Either you can be a video creator editing a video, or creating designs, or writing blogs, creating vlogs. So many delivery, you may be capable of delivering podcasts. So the digital content providers. And agriculture based businesses, what I mean is like startups where you can provide warehouse facilities, or being an aggregator, online aggregator, where you or acting as a bridge between the producer and the people, and make the products from the farmer to reach the consumer. And cooking and nutrition, obviously people are eating at home, they are not going outside taking risk. No, they are not getting food delivered because of the panic. So they are looking for healthy nutritious recipes, and a variety of snack items as kids are at home. So definitely cooking and nutrition blogs, videos, all those things will be on demand. It will be booming. And next we are coming to the businesses at risk post COVID. Travel, yeah, definitely, now it's not at all possible. Like we are not allowed to go from one state to other state, or one area to other area. So travel, even if after lockdown post COVID, people are not will not be ready to travel that much. And cinema is now it will be like a gathering. Either it can be cinema or party or gathering, any events, anything related to gatherings, people will be trying to avoid. Hospitality, like luxury resort stays, all those kind of hotels and all those things. Construction, yeah, now work from home will be going to be the new norm. So office constructions, office space constructions, commercial space constructions will be put on hold. Automobiles, people are already in job fear, and they will not be ready to invest in another luxury products like cars and high end bikes and all those things. Real estate, definitely it's going to be a high budget, so people will have some mental constraint towards it. Live sports, it will be, live sports is again the gathering. Due to the gathering, huge gathering, people will not be ready to be the audience. So they will be only interested in listening, watching it through the TV or any other media. And restaurants, obviously outside food is not allowed, and most of the people try to avoid. And luxury spas, these are the things which will not attract the people will not be ready to take risks in these industries. So it's better to be staying away from starting businesses in these industries. Hope these insights are useful for you, and take your business decisions accordingly, and have a successful business post COVID. Thank you.